Lovelet Artist and Talent Center Drama Productions, isagsagot kada kayo ti number 1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines. Master Radio Bombo.
Mommy at washing machine. Relieve sa Pride washing machine detergent.
Hello, Wafi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa bansa? Chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride washing machine detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na lumit man siya. Easy ang lakas.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride! All you need is pride!
Pride detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS! May fever, si Bunso, kaya matamlay. Sabi nito, ito ang bigay! Biogesic for kids with new fruity melon flavor. I feel good, bumabay, ako yung I feel good. Magagad, inumagad. Di balik ako rin, basta walang sakit. Salamat kay Doc at sa Biogesic for kids. Mas pinagaling, magpagaling. Versus Credence formulation.
Alagang lumilap yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic for kids. If the prescription, consult your doctor.
Kaagling prevention tayo po. Magandang balita, ang NK6130 na 35,000 units sa bawat batch.